This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Warriors. Just did our first camping trip of the season, and when I went to take a shower, all the holes were plugged up on our shower head. So we're pretty sure it's a water heater. So this video we're going to do maintenance on the water heater. Just need a couple things. You just need the tank rinser from Camco, and if you get one from Camco, make sure it's not cracked like the one they sent me. And then we also need a water heater RV plug kit. I got this from RVMate. So let's get started. There's two main types of water heaters. There's the aluminum tanks, and then there's the galvanized tanks. To tell which tank you need, which tank you have, the aluminum ones always have a plastic plug, and the galvanized ones always have a big metal plug, and you need a big socket. Now you can see it's going to be very hard to get to this plug because this thing is in front of it. But this kit comes with a wrench that has an off angle that helps you get in there. Another little tip is spiders all the time get in here and get in this tube, and you put a like a flea collar in here. About once a year, change it out, and it'll help keep the spiders out of here. So let's get started getting this thing cleaned out. I ordered these two things from Amazon. So when you put in your model number and search for a kit for your particular water heater, be careful, because kits that have an anode, even though you may have an aluminum tank, will still come up. So make sure you just use the plastic one and do not put an anode in here if you have a plastic cap. What will happen is you'll get electrolysis between the zinc anode and the aluminum tank, and you'll never be able to get that plug out again. So just a tip. So this kit comes with this wrench, about 5 plugs, and some Teflon tape. This is a Dometic water heater. And you can see there's the model number right there, GC6AA-10E. And we're going to put some buckets down there to catch the water to see what kind of sediment comes out. So here we go. There's two sizes. There's a 7/8 and a 15/16. See the little holes in this tube? If that is black, that means you're getting spiders or other insects in this little tube. So you want to make sure you put that flea collar in here to prevent that. You can see how dirty the water is in the bucket. We can't even see the bottom of the bucket from the water that's in there. Now we're going to put the flusher on there and see what more we can get out in this second bucket that we haven't used yet. Now we just take this wand, put it in the tank, and hopefully my 2 little tie wraps hold. The water was still warm enough. Back and forth, spin the wand around so you can get a really good flush. You see the water's pretty dirty in this bucket too. It's definitely worth doing. Now I didn't damage the plug when I took it out, and this plug is a little longer than the ones that they sent me. So I'm going to go ahead and reuse it. You can see how much crud is down in there. So that probably the whole inside of that tank had that sediment in it. Now we just got to put a little bit of Teflon tape on the threads that came with the kit to make sure it doesn't leak. Just wrap it around and pull it off just like that. And all we got left is to just stick it back in the hole. Just make sure you don't cross thread it. And there it goes. We don't have a whole lot of room to work in this thing. Just about one little turn at a time. Now let the water settle. You can see there's still a lot of sediment in this bucket. Better than the first bucket because it was really dirty. But now we just gotta water test it. So Deb, go turn on the water pump and get the hot water going. See if it holds. Open up a hot water valve so if the tank fills up with water. Let me know when water starts coming out of the sink and it's
dripping. That's it.
Yeah. when the water comes out in a steady stream, let me know. Then shut the valve so I know that it's got pressure. It's coming out good. All right, shut it off. We're good. We got no leaks. So job's basically complete. Just got to put the stuff away. Okay. We hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. We'll see you in our next adventure. We should be in Rainbow River. So we'll see you. See ya.